Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, 4th class student. Ma'am Fatma here with second lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. Dear students, open page number 8. Chapter number 2, Our Country. Our country is very beautiful and it has variety of natural features and 7 of the world's highest mountains in the north to long stretches of beautiful coastline and beaches in the south, and in the north there are high mountains with snowy peaks, glaciers, fresh mountains, streams, bubbling waterfalls and clear icy lakes. There are deep valleys and steep rocky ridges. It is very cold there. These all things make our country very beautiful. Location and neighbors. Pakistan is in the southern part of the continent of Asia and it has an area of 796,095 square kilometers. We share border with Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast and India in the east. And to the south of Pakistan is the Arabian Sea. You can see in the map, this is Pakistan. In the south there is Arabian Sea, in the west Iran, northwest Afghanistan, in the east India and in the northeast China. Wood, and you will see that our country is bigger than some countries but much smaller than many other countries. If we look at the map, we can see some countries are smaller than Pakistan and some countries are bigger than Pakistan. Now open page number 9. The population of Pakistan is over 207 million. The population is diverse in terms of language, habit, custom and style of clothing. We may differ from each other, but we all belong to one country and we are all Pakistani and we have only one religion, Islam. The population of Pakistan has grown rapidly. This is because people have large families and because more people live longer. Every year there are also a number of people who move or migrate from Pakistan to another country or move to Pakistan from somewhere else. The people of Pakistan follow different faiths, but the majority of the population is Muslim. This is represented by green portion of the Pakistani flag. The green portion of Pakistani flag shows the Muslim majority, and the minorities include Christians, Hindus, Parsis and Sikhs, and they are represented by white portion of our national flag. These white portion shows minorities. The landscape of Pakistan. In the central part of the country there are wide plains with rich fertile soil watered by the river Indus and its tributaries. The river Indus is the longest river of Pakistan. The river Indus, which starts in the Himalayas and is joined at Mithankot by the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, which flow as one from the Panjnad in the southern Punjab. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj are the branches of river Indus. River Indus starts from Himalaya and these branches meet at Mithankot, Panjnad in the southern Punjab, and from Panjnad it flows alone as a single big river as river Indus. This is the agricultural heartland of Pakistan. That is, Punjab is the agricultural heartland of Pakistan because of these rivers. Crops grow in the field and many people work on the farms in Punjab. In the west there are mountains, but these are not as high as those in the north. The western mountains of Pakistan are not high as the northern mountains. There is also an area of desert land as there is in the east. Deserts are in the east of Pakistan. There are no large rivers or lakes in the west, but it has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea. In the south there are forests along the western bank of the river Indus, while there is farming on the plains along the river. Open page number 10, Living and working. There are thousands of villages in Pakistan and most of our population live in villages. Most villages earn a living by working on a land on farms. Since we know where the best agricultural land is, we also know where the most of the people live. They also make handicraft with locally produced material. These are limited Number of schools, hospitals, roads, and modes of transport in the villages. Some of the villages in Sindh and Punjab have grown into large towns and cities with tall buildings, offices, houses, and factories. These cities are crowded and busy. Open page number 11. Provinces and administrative areas of Pakistan. The federal capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, and in addition to the Islamabad capital territory, the federal administrative tribal areas, which is called FATA. FATA means Federal Administrative Tribal Areas. Pakistan has 4 provinces: Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh, and Gilgit-Baltistan is also federally administrated area. Punjab. Punjab is the second largest and most populated province of Pakistan, and it is called land of rivers, as 4 or 5 major rivers are including the river Indus flow through it. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Crops such as wheat, cotton, sugarcane and rice are grown here. Mangoes and orange orchards are also present in here. Shisham, eucalyptus, peepal and many other trees commonly grow here in Punjab. Changamanga is the man-made forest. Lal Shanra Reserve forests are also in Punjab. Punjab are the most urbanized and industrialized province in Pakistan. The capital of Punjab is Lahore, and it is the largest city in the Punjab and the second most populous city in the Pakistan after Karachi. It is cosmopolitan city full of culture. Tourists come here to visit famous sites such as Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, Minar-e-Pakistan and Shalimar Gardens. Here many languages are spoken: Punjabi, Pothohari and Saraiki language among others. The traditional foods are pulao, sarson ka saag and makai ki roti. Luddi and Bhangra are the traditional folk dances of the Punjab. Kabaddi is the traditional sport and is very popular, especially in villages. Traditional dress is tehmat, kurta, pagdi and khussa for males. The people have great respect for Sufi saints and visit their shrines such as Baba Bhulle Shah, Khwaja Ghulam Farid, Waris Shah and Hazrat Data Ganjbakhsh Ali Hajweri. Sindh. The provincial capital of Sindh is Karachi. It is the largest city and port of Pakistan. Sindhi is the main language spoken in this province. The landscape of the Sindh consists of lower Indus Plain, the Thar Desert and the Indus Delta. The Indus Delta to the south of Karachi, which flows into the Arabian Sea. The coastline with sandy beaches, little bays and inlets is a popular place for relaxing. Trees like kikar, mulberry, shisham grow in the Sindh. There are also some coastal forests called mangroves which are grown around the sea. Sindh has the largest mango and banana farms in Pakistan. It grows wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane. Biryani is a traditional dishes. Also pulao and fish and bhaji are traditional dishes. Archaeological sites are Mohenjo-daro is in Sindh. The traditional dance are Hojamalo and Jhumro, and the traditional sport is Malakra. Sindhi topi and ajrak distinguish their dress from other provinces. The shrines of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, Lal Shahbaz Qalandar and Abdullah Shah Ghazi hold huge importance for the people. Balochistan. The capital of Balochistan is Quetta. It has extremely dry desert climate is very harsh and dry, so vegetation can't grow. However, fruit trees like apple, peaches, grapes, cherry, almonds, pomegranates, plums grow very well in some areas. Juniper, alpine and conifer forests are grown here. The newly developed Gwadar port, which is a significant part of China Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), is in the south of Balochistan. Quaid-e-Azam spent his last days of life in his residence in Ziyarat, Balochistan. The shrine of Baba Kharwari is also in Ziyarat. The people speak many languages including Balochi, Pashto, Barawi and Persian. Their traditional cuisine is Sajji. The Sibbi Mela, a livestock fair, is held each year in Sibbi. People from all over Pakistan visit this fair. The traditional dances are Chhap, Liva and Jhumar. The traditional sports are Chowk Ji, the horse racing, etc. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the third most populated province of Pakistan. Peshawar is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The people speak many different languages: Pashto, Hazara, Chitrali, Hindko, Kohistani. Alpine coniferous forests are found here. Nuts and seeds such as almond, walnuts, and pine are grown here. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has a famous tourist destination such as town of Naran, the valleys of Kagan, Kalam, Shandor Pass, and Saki resort of Malam Jabba. It has a wealth natural resources such as marble and precious stones. Maize, millet, barley, rice, sugarcane, and tobacco are grown here. The shrines of Rahman Baba and Hazrat Khwaja Kaka Sahib are in this province. The traditional sport is Makha archery, Peshawari chappal, and Kol cap are distinguished item of the province traditional clothing. Dear student, open page number 8 and mark the blanks of chapter number 2 and book reading questions. On page number 8, first blank is in location of neighbors. Pakistan is in the southern part of continent of Asia. First blank is still here and the answer of first blank is Asia. Second blank is started from here. It has an area of 796,095 square kilometer. It means Pakistan. And second blank answer is 796,095 square kilometer. Third blank, Pakistan covers a distance of over 1800 kilometers. The answer of third blank is 1800. Now open page number 9. The population of Pakistan is over 207 million. Fourth blank answer is 207 million. The first book reading question is from where river Indus starts. The answer of first book reading is from here. The river Indus starts in Himalayas. The second book reading question is write the name of 4 rivers which flow in Punjab: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj, which flow on one from Panjnat in the southern Punjab is the answer of question number 2 book reading. Now come on page number 10. Most villages earn a living by working on a land. Land is the answer of fifth blank. Now open page number 11. The federal capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Islamabad is the answer of sixth blank. Dear students, open page number 16. Work page. Fill this work page. Read this by yourself. This is a fact file of Pakistan. Complete your fact file of Pakistan by adding the names of provinces and provincial capital. Write the names of provinces and also capital and learn also by heart. Provinces of Pakistan are 4: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and KPK. Punjab, the capital of Punjab is Lahore, Sindh, Karachi, Balochistan, Quetta, and KPK, Peshawar. Look at a large map of the world. Write down the names of 5 countries larger than Pakistan. Russia, China, Iran, United States of America, and Canada are larger than Pakistan, and Afghanistan, Malta, Monarch, Vatican City, and Maldives are smaller countries than Pakistan. Dear students, fill this work page and also learn book reading questions and blanks. This is all about your lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Dear students, these are exercise questions of chapter number 2, page number 15. Question number 1 is which countries share the border with Pakistan? Pakistan share borders with Iran in west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast, and India in the east. Question number 2. Which sea lies to the south of Pakistan? Arabian Sea lies to the south of Pakistan. Which areas of Pakistan are most populated and least populated? Punjab is the most populated, whereas Balochistan is the least populated areas of Pakistan. Question number 4. Find out the names of main deserts in Pakistan. Answer is Thar, Thar, and Haran deserts are the famous deserts in Pakistan. Question number 5. Where the tributaries of river Indus join it? They join river Indus at Mithankot and they flow as one from Panjnat in southern Punjab. Question number 6. Where does the river Indus enter the sea? River Indus make delta to the south of Karachi and then falls into the Arabian Sea. Question number 7. Where is agricultural heartland of Pakistan? Punjab is the agricultural heartland of Pakistan.